What's cooking, Homegaters? I'm Eddie Jackson, celebrity chef and former pro football player. I'm teaming up with Kroger to bring you even more home-gating recipes so you can kick this season off right. And to help you get hyped for game day, I'm bringing in my good friend and celebrity chef, Jay Ducote. Big Jay, can you hear me?
Man, it's good to see you. Been a little while, 5 years since we were on the Food Network Star set together.
This is right up your alley. Now, you were a professional tailgater.
Yeah, that's right, Eddie, man. While you were playing football at the University of Arkansas, I was a professional tailgater at LSU. Tailgating legends, also national champions.
You're still throwing it in my face after all these years.
I got a jab at you somehow. You beat me on Food Network Star, so congratulations. And hey, man, I'm looking forward to Homegating with you. What are you cooking up over there?
What I'm doing is my Chorizo Chili Con Queso. Now, you know I'm from Texas. We gotta have that Tex-Mex flair. So this is something that I think will be great for Homegating. I have some onions and some serrano peppers that are sweating down in my cast iron skillet. And what I wanna do is something that I know that you know very, very well. I'm gonna add in some butter and some flour because I'm making what, Big J?
Well, you're making a roux over there, butter and flour. That's gonna be good.
That's gonna be the base for this dip. That's gonna help it get nice and creamy and cheesy. So talk to me, what you got going on over there?
Yeah, buddy, I'm making some sheet pan nachos. Now, what I have in my skillet right now is some ground turkey with some onion and some garlic and some taco seasoning. So I'm getting that ready.
All right, so Jay, what I'm gonna do is add in a little bit of this Simple Truth evaporated milk. And this is also gonna make this dip nice and creamy. And so what I wanna do from here, Big J, I'm gonna go ahead and season this baby up. So I have some cumin. You can't have any Tex-Mex dish without the cumin, right? Next, I have some smoked paprika. And then finish it off with some salt and pepper. And then just to give it a little bit of tang and bring out all those flavors, I'm gonna add in a little bit of this lime juice, and I'm gonna whisk this to combine. How are those sheet pan nachos coming along?
Man, pretty good. I got my chips laid out. I've got my ground turkey browned off on the stove top first. And now I'm gonna take my Kroger brand shredded cheddar. And Eddie, I'm not gonna hold back on this, right?
Please don't. You can't have nachos without cheese.
All right, Eddie, I'm gonna get these sheet pan nachos into the oven. I have it preset at about 350 for 8 to 10 minutes. It'll be good to go.
Speaking of cheese, what I wanna do right now, Big J, I wanna add in this queso quesadilla cheese, which I think is the perfect melting cheese to add to this dip.
All right.
What I'm gonna do now, Jay, is I have some chorizo that I've already sauteed, so I'm just gonna add this chorizo right to my dip, and that's gonna give this dip a lot of flavor. Big J, you better hurry up. I got your nachos over here. I don't know how much longer I can wait. I'm ready to dive in.
All right, I'm starting with some red onion, just some sliced up red onion.
I like it.
I'm gonna get that spread around here. Give a nice little crunch, a little extra flavor to my nachos. Then I've got some cherry tomatoes. How's that chili con queso coming along?
Hey, look, Big J, I'm waiting on you. I'm ready to eat.
Look, I know how you like the extra spice. I got some jalapenos over here for you. And you know, what's a good sheet pan nacho without a little kick to it? And then I've got that cilantro. And then I'm gonna take a little lime juice.
Okay.
I'm gonna squeeze that right over the top, buddy.
Little kick, little tang.
That's it. That's my sheet pan nachos right there. I'm ready to rock.
Okay, so I see your sheet pan nachos. I'm gonna show you my Chorizo Chili Con Queso. I want you to see how cheesy and gooey this is, Jay. Can you see this? Can you see what I'm putting down, brother?
Ooh,
look at that.
Oh, that looks heavenly. Look, I love a chip and queso now. I'll do a little dance. I got a queso dance that I like to do.
A
it goes
queso
a little
dance?
like that.
I've known you 5.5 years, Jay. I've never seen you dance. And all I had to do was bring out some Chorizo Chili Con Queso to get you moving. All right, so how about we give this thing a taste?
All right, we starting with the nachos or the chili con queso?
Let's start with the nachos.
All right, buddy.
That's because we want to save the best for last.
Now make sure you got some cheese on every chip there. Oh, I heard you. I heard you.
That's good, Big J.
That ground turkey works. A lot of people might be watching this saying, ground turkey, really? You're not gonna use beef? The turkey actually soaks up all those great taco seasoning flavors, presents a canvas for these nachos.
How about we get in this Chorizo Chili Con Queso?
Oh man. All right, Eddie, I love that you used the chorizo in there. Those natural spices, the paprika in that chorizo really come through. Your roux, nice and creamy, beautiful. That's a good chili con queso right there, my friend.
Jay, I want to thank you for helping me create the ultimate home gating feast. And I want to thank everyone that's out there watching. And for the full recipe, check out the link below. And if you're taking those home gating pics, use the hashtag. And stay tuned for more recipes and tips because we want to keep this home gating celebration going all season long.